अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। उम्मीद है कि आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। आपके सामने एक पिक्चर है। कैन यू आइडेंटिफाई कि ये आपको क्या नज़र आ रहा है? जी हाँ, दिस इज कॉल्ड मैग्नेट। एंड ये भी आपको पता है कि अ मैग्नेट अट्रैक्ट्स आयरन डस्ट। चलें इससे रिलेटेड एक वीडियो देखते हैं। From this video, it is obvious that the earth can attract the things because it has its own magnetic field. This is the working principle of a navigation compass. A compass works because earth behaves like a magnet and it has rotating molten iron inside which produces that. Students, electrostatics is a branch of physics that studies electric charges at rest. An electrostatic effect can be an example of a styrofoam peanuts clinging to a cat's fur due to static electricity. The triboelectric effect causes an electrostatic charge to build up on the surface of the fur due to the cat's motions. The electric field of the charge causes polarization of the molecules of the styrofoam due to electrostatic induction, resulting in a slight attraction of the light plastic pieces to the charged fur. This effect is also the cause of static cling in clothes. The most इंटरेस्टिंग एग्जाम्पल एक बम्बल बी की है जो कि आप इधर देख सकते हैं। स्टूडेंट्स, हमेशा से सिंस क्लासिकल फिजिक्स इट हैज बीन नोन दैट सम मटेरियल्स सच एज एम्बर attract lightweight particles after rubbing. The word electric in fact comes from the Greek electron, which means amber, that yellow or reddish brown stone which is often used for jewelry. पहले के ज़माने के लोगों ने ये नोटिस किया कि जब आप एम्बर को रब करते हैं तो इट क्रिएट्स एन इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक चार्ज एंड इट विल पिक अप लाइट थिंग्स लाइक फेदर्स एंड स्ट्रॉ। आपने कभी बचपन में ऐसा किया है कि प्लास्टिक कोम को जोर से रब करें अपने बालों पे एंड देन पुट लिटिल पीसेस ऑफ पेपर बीनीथ इट? आप नोट करेंगे कि प्लास्टिक कोम जो है वो उन छोटे छोटे पीसेस ऑफ पेपर को पकड़ लेगी। That is a very interesting. Atoms have charged particles called electrons and protons, जिनके बारे में हमने पिछली एपिसोड्स में पढ़ा हुआ है। In chemistry, you will study in detail about how electrons act as glue in bonding materials. Hydrogen and oxygen make water, and it is those electrons around their atoms that make bond between them by electromagnetic forces. All electric charges exert electrostatic forces on each other, whether those charges are moving or stationary. Electrostatic forces can cause charges to push away from each other or to be attracted to each other. If two charges are the same, they will repel each other, but if they are different, they will attract each other. आपने कभी सोचा है कि मैग्नेट दूर से कैसे काम करता है? The area around magnets where such exchange of photon is taking place is called the magnetic field. The term field was coined by Michael Faraday. He is a hero in introducing this concept. He was not formally educated, but centuries later the person who gave its mathematical details was Maxwell, whose full name is James Clerk Maxwell. Originally, electricity and magnetism were considered to be two separate forces. This view changed with the publication of James Clerk Maxwell's 1973 A Treatise on Electricity and Magnetism, in which the interactions of positive and negative charges were shown to be mediated by one force. Light is also electromagnetic in nature. When an excited electron jumps to a higher orbit and it quickly comes back, it releases a photon. Some photons, which are visible to our eyes, make visible light for us, and others are not visible, like radio waves or X-rays. कभी आपने सोचा है कि इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब लाइट कैसे देता है? When the electrons in an atom jump from a higher energy level to a lower energy level, they emit photons, which are packets of energy of wavelength equal to that of visible light. अभी आप लोग चेयर पे बैठे हुए हैं, राइट? आप जमीन पे क्यों नहीं गिर रहे? आपको पता तो है कि ग्रेविटी है। ऐसी क्या चीज है विच इज कीपिंग यू फ्रॉम फॉलिंग थ्रू द चेयर ऑल द वे टू द ग्राउंड? अब अगर आप एकदम से छोटे से हो जाएं और श्रिंक करें एंड बिकम एज स्मॉल एज द एटम्स इन द चेयर, you would see that the chair, just like all matter, is actually mostly made up of empty space with some very tiny charged particles floating around in it. It is the interaction between these charges that makes the chair feel solid and keeps you from falling through it. Students, there are four main effects resulting from these interactions, all of which have been clearly demonstrated by some experiments. Number 1. Electric charges attract or repel one another with a force inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Unlike charges attract and like charges repel. Number 2. Magnetic poles or states of polarization at individual points attract or repel one another in a manner similar to positive and negative charges and always exist as pairs. Every north pole is yoked to a south pole. Number 3. An electric current inside a wire creates a corresponding circumferential magnetic field outside the wire. Its direction depends on the direction of the current in the wire. ये clockwise भी हो सकता है और anti-clockwise भी हो सकता है. Number 4. A current is induced in a loop of wire when it is moved towards or away from a magnetic field, or a magnet is moved towards or away from it. The direction of current depends on that of the movement. Electricity basically electrons की flow को कहा जाता है. Magnets cause to produce electricity, and electricity is produced when we place a wire near a moving magnet. The interaction of magnetic force on electrons in the metal of wire produces electricity. That is all how our electric generators work. जो मैग्नेट्स होते हैं वो हेल्प करते हैं हमें इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस करने में, और सिमिलरली इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जो है वो मैग्नेटिज्म को प्रोड्यूस करती है. When we make a coil around a wire, it behaves just like a magnet, and we call it electromagnet. Even very large objects like vehicles can be lifted using electromagnets. So आपने देखा that electricity and magnetism are two sides of the same coin. They influence each other. मिसाल के तौर पे जब हम एक किताब एक टेबल पे रखते हैं तो वो सिंक करके ज़मीन पे नहीं गिर जाती. It is pushed up by such forces because the electron clouds repel each other. अब सवाल ये पैदा होता है कि हम इस चीज़ के बारे में क्यों पढ़ रहे हैं. इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिज्म हमारे लिए इतनी इंपॉर्टेंट क्यों है? Students, all materials and even our own bodies have a shape because of electromagnetic forces. Our senses also work on electromagnetic signals inside our bodies. The Earth's magnetism protects it from harmful solar radiations. अगर Earth magnetic ना होती तो there is a possibility that life भी planet पे exist ना करती. अब हम इस एपिसोड के कुछ की पॉइंट्स पर गौर करते हैं. Number 1. Electrostatics is a branch of physics that studies electric charges at rest. Number 2. All electric charges exert electrostatic forces on each other. Number 3. Charges that are the same will repel each other, while charges that are different will attract. Number 4. Electrons emit photons when they jump higher to lower energy. Number 5. Photons are the energy packets. Number 6. Electricity is the flow of electrons. Magnets cause to produce electricity. अब हम अपना टेस्ट लेंगे और देखेंगे कि हमने आज के एपिसोड से क्या सीखा. Question number 1. Which of the following statements about Coulomb's law is true? A. If the amount of charge on both of the particles increases, the electrostatic force between them will decrease. B. If the amount of charge on both of the particles increases, the electrostatic force between them will increase. Number 3. If the distance between the particles increases, the electrostatic force between them will increase. D. If the amount of charge on both of the particles goes up, the electrostatic force between them will not change. The correct answer is B. If the amount of charge on both of the particles increases, the electrostatic force between them will increase. Number 2. If you move two charged particles closer together, what would happen to the electrostatic force between them? A. It will increase. B. It will decrease. C. It will stay the same. D. It will go away. The correct answer is A. It will increase. Number 3. Like gravity, the electromagnetic force has an infinite range and obeys the A. Inverse square law. B. Direct square law. C. Law of gravitation. D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Inverse square law. Question number 4. Amber is the name for A. Electron. B. Photon. C. Neutron. D. Nucleon. The correct answer is A. Electron. Number 5. When your hair stands on end, each strand repelling the other, you are experiencing A. Magnetism. B. Ghosts. C. Static electricity. D. Current. The correct answer is C. Static electricity. Students, अगली एपिसोड तक अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिए. अल्लाह हाफिज.